Kuwait. Hi guys! Ayan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Abdullah Mubarak, Kuwait. Ayan, ang langit po para pong uulan. Ayan po. Papunta na po siyang ulan. It's raining but not still yet. Ayan. Ito po yung mga bahay dito sa Kuwait. Ayan po. Diba ang ganda? Ooh, baby, when you talk like that, you make me go mad. Super eyes and leading my sons of my body, señorita. Ooh, baby, when you talk like that, you make me go mad. Super boy, leading my sons. Ayan, dito po lagi nag-standby yung mga madam ko, yung mag-asawa at saka yung mga bata. Ayan po. Dito po kami sa area na to. Ayan. At saka dito din po yung play area nila. Ayan. Dito po sila naliligo. Yung pool nila nilalagyan lang ng tubig. Yung pool nila. Ayan. Ang kalangitan na napaka dilim na. Ewan ko kung uulan pa ba siya o lalabas pa ba ang sun. Kakanta na lang ng walang mukha ko. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to save me that I was wrong. Oh, I've never been much to wait. I try to apologize for my mistakes. I just want you to know. I hope he buys you flowers. Hope you had my hate. Didn't know he's so wise to have that she's take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was stay. Now my baby's dancing with another man. Oh, before I should have done when I was your man. Ang kalangitan, parang may isang anghel sa aking labi na nakalutang sa ulap at nangingiliti. Kung ang alat at asim ng buhay tulad ng haing ni inay, suspetsa ko'y buong mundo'y magiging mapayapa at masaya. Yeah. Secunda budi. Oh, sisni dana gawi unang ho. Kahit susi umingbay o yaday. Hey, bao cho ai she gets so high, see those anyway. Why didn't hide until all you shy to your suicide. Pag nasa tabi ko, di ko alam kung saan na tayo, basta't alam ko ako'y mahal mo. Patay.